Hi, it's Lisa with Closet Confidence. I am a wardrobe stylist and stylist with Stella and Dot, and I am coming to you today from my kitchen because we're all still at home and my hubby has a Zoom call in the office and my kid is online on his computer in the other room, so this is what's left. And it's beautiful outside. So I am coming to you today to give you my Tuesday tip. Today we actually have two tips, and because I talked about shoes yesterday, it made me think about it. So these are my shoes. I got these new, if you saw my video yesterday, I got these new slides from Target. And so my tip is, I don't typically like to wear those nylon heads. So what I do is I stick baby powder, and you can use any kind of baby powder. And I know it's bad for you if you breathe it in, so typically I do this like way down below. And hey Sandy! So you just basically put a little bit of baby powder in your shoe, and what it does, it absorbs all the moisture. So if you walk a lot and you're not wearing socks with your sandals or your slides or your mules, the baby powder helps absorb the moisture, and it keeps, at least for me, from getting blisters. The other thing that happens is when you wear your shoes without socks and you sweat a lot and there's a lot of moisture, then it can kind of get kind of stinky sometimes. Usually the baby powder helps with that, but my second tip is you take a dryer sheet, any old dryer sheet, organic, non-organic, clear, not clear, whatever, and you stuff it in the shoe. Just stuff it right in here, and you can stuff more than one, you can stuff two. This works with tennis shoes, gym bags, anything that's kind of stinky, and stick some dryer sheets in there and it will help absorb all the bad smells. So I hope these Tuesday tips were helpful for you. If you're watching live, I'd love to hear if they were helpful. If you're watching the replay, you can put replay in the comments and let me know what you thought. And let me know what you want to see. I think tomorrow will be Wear It Wednesday, although I have no idea what I will be wearing. But I will come on again and give you more tips. I hope you're staying safe and healthy during this COVID pandemic. And I'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you soon.